everyone, today, we're going to draw this super cute little girl. I'll show you every step slowly and easily. Let's draw together. Let's draw her beautiful hairstyle. Now it's time to make her face cute. Draw two big, beautiful eyes.
Some days I got.
Now let's move down to her body. Draw her neck and shoulders, then add her cute collar and shirt. Let's add her cute star-shaped bag.
Working hard, making less.
Start underneath her shirt, and now we're going to draw her pretty skirt. Next, let's draw her two arms. Next, draw her two little legs. Keep them simple and straight. Next, let's draw her beautiful hairstyle. Start with the hair on top of her head, then draw her two cute braided ponytails. Add the braid sections one by one. Take your time and make both sides look balanced. Next, let's color her outfit.
Playing every game except the lottery. Serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company.
Then color her shoes to match the cute style.
Foolish notion.
Let's color her beautiful hair bright yellow. Fill the hair carefully and try to stay inside the lines.
Foolish notions. They cut me down to size.
Let's yellow color to her star bag.
You came along and lifted me up.
Now let's color her face with a warm skin tone. Add a little pink to her cheeks to make her look even cuter. And here is our finished cute girl. I hope you enjoyed drawing her with me today. Please give this video a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next cute drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.